Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. LED flashlight from lighting experts WARSUN. T7 it is the model. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual, the charging cable 20 cm type A to type C. WARSUN T7. Beautiful and slim design, only 8 mm thick, making it easy to carry and store. Made of aluminium alloy and ABS for a lightweight yet sturdy construction that can withstand daily use and accidental drops. The clip design allows for flashlight to fit in your pocket or backpack and clip to your hat for portability. Or you can use the magnet for any metal surface. Very convenient. You have two options. Built-in long-lasting rechargeable 675 mAh battery can last for 2 to 12 hours depending on the brightness level you use. Easily recharge it via Type-C port. There is the Type-C. Seal it very well. Only takes 1 hour to fully charge. Use the cable, plug in, 5V 1A power adapter, red light, that means it's charging. When fully charged it goes to blue light. With an IPX4 waterproof rating and 2-meter shock resistant, seal it very well all the ports. You can quickly switch between main light and side COB light with a single click. There is the button. Here it is the COB side light and the main COB light. And with the button, press once, normal mode, double press, strobe mode, and off. Press again, another one. We have the low mode at the side light, 4 modes at the side light, medium, high, and red blue strobe. I like it. And off. And again, main, double press, off, press again, second light, six lighting modes, very convenient. So let's give it a test, see how it looks at the night. It's perfect for EDC enthusiasts who value preparedness, outdoor adventures needing backup lighting, homeowners keeping it in emergency kits, professionals working in low light conditions. And that's the WARSUN Pocket LED flashlight, small enough to vanish in your pocket, bright enough to blind a Yeti. With multiple modes and clip that won't quit, this little beast is perfect for your EDC, car glove box or zombie escape bag. Seriously, why fumble with your phone light when you could have instant throwable brightness in seconds? If this flashlight just earned a spot in your everyday carry, hit like, subscribe for more gear that over-delivers, and drop a comment. What's your first use for a pocket light? Dog walks? Power outages? Secret midnight snacks? Let's hear it. Where to get it? Check the link in description for current deals. Thanks for watching and remember, stay bright, stay prepared, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.